Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, this is your revisional video from LPM Public School. In my previous video, I have already completed the chapter number 1 to 5. So today we are going to revise the next chapter, that is chapter number 6. So first of all, tell me, do you know what's the title of this chapter number 6? Yes, it is the rarest animals of all. The rarest animal of all. And through this chapter, we will learn about that how could we help the animals. How do we show love towards animals? Okay. So in this chapter, we will learn there is a rarest animals, that is a pushmi polio. He is never seen in zoo because he was very shy and he had a head at each end. Only one half of him slept at a time. The other head was always awoke and was. That's why they were never caught and seen in zoo. Okay, student. So in this story, there is a very kind person whose name was Dr. Dolittle, who is very kind towards the animals. So his monkeys decided to catch the pushmi polio and to hand over the Dr. Dolittle that he should take pushmi polio with him and people will pay money to see him. Okay. The whole story is very interesting, so you must be read the whole story at your home. And I'm going to revise the word meaning, question answer and exercises of this chapter. Okay, student? So firstly, there is a word meaning. So we will learn the word meaning. So the first word is rarest. Do you know what the meaning of rarest? The meaning of rarest is most uncommon and unusual. Okay, most uncommon and unusual. After that, menagerie keepers. Menagerie keepers, the meaning of menagerie keepers is person who look after a collection of wild animals. Menagerie keepers, the meaning of menagerie keepers is person who look after a collection of wild animals. After that, next is beast. The next word is beast, and what the meaning of beast? That is animal. The meaning of beast is animal. After that, fourth is pinch and scrape. Pinch and scrape. The meaning of pinch and scrape is live carefully on very little money. So student, these are the word meaning. You must be learn it. Okay. Now we moving to the next, that is exercises. Come to the exercises. The first exercise is read these sentences and answer the question. The first exercise that is given in chapter number 6 is read these sentences and answer the question. So the first sentence is, no, you know how shy I am. I hate being stared at. No, you know how shy I am. I hate being stared at. So the first question is question number A. Who said this word and to whom? The first question number A is who said this word and to whom? So the answer will be Pushmi Polio said this word to the monkeys. Pushmi Polio said this word to the monkeys. Now the next question number B. In question number B, what had the listeners and asked the speaker to do? What had the listeners asked the speaker to do? So the answer will be the listener asked Pushmi Polio to go with Dr. Dolittle and be put on show in the land of men. The listener asked Pushmi Polio to go with Dr. Dolittle and be put on show in the land of men. Okay, student. Now the next question number C. That is what did the speaker do after making this statement? What did the speaker do after making this statement? So the answer will be the speaker almost started crying. What did the speaker do after making this statement? So the answer will be the speaker almost started crying. Now it's over of first statement. Now the next is second sentence, that is, oh, do be sensible. cried Dab Dab. Oh, to be sensible, cried Dab Dab. So the first question is question number A, that who was Dab Dab and to whom was she speaking? Who was Dab Dab and to whom was she speaking? So the answer will be Dab Dab was a duck and she was speaking to Dr. Dolittle. Dab Dab was a duck and she was speaking to Dr. Dolittle. Now the next question, question number B. In question number B, there is a question, what did she want the listener to do? Be sensible about. What did she want the listener to be sensible about? So the answer will be, she wanted the listener to be sensible about paying money. She wanted the listener to be sensible about paying money. Okay. Now the next question, question number C. In the question number C, there is a question, what effect did her words have on the listener? What effect did her words have on the listener? So the answer will be, finally the listener decided to keep Push Me Pullyo as pet. The answer will be question number C. Finally the listener decided to keep Push Me Pullyo as pet. Now the next. So it is exercise E. You must be complete this all exercises. Firstly you have to complete word meaning, and after that exercise E you must be revise this all question answer of exercise E. That is very important. Now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. After completing exercise A, we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B, that is answer the question. Answer this question. So we have to write and learn one by one this question answer. Okay. So first question is, that is given, what was a Push Me Pullyo? Describe in your own words. What was a Push Me Pullyo? Describe in your own words. So the answer will be, a Push Me Pullyo was the rarest animal of the world. A Push Me Pullyo was the rarest animal of the world. They had no tail. They had no tail. They had a head at each end and sharp horns on each head. They were very shy and hard to catch. Answer of question number first is, a Push Me Pullyo was the rarest animal of the world. They had no tail. They had a head at each end and sharp horns on each head. They were very shy and hard to catch. Okay, student. Now the next is, why were Push Me Pullyos never seen in zoo? Why were Push Me Pullyo never seen in zoo? So the answer will be, Push Me Pullyo had a head at each end. Only one half of him slept at a time. The other head was always awake and watched. That's why they were never caught and seen in zoo. Push Me Pullyo had a head at each end. Only one half of him slept at a time. The other head was always awake and watched. That's why they were never caught and seen in zoo. After that, the third question. The third question is, how did the monkeys pursued the Push Me Pullyo to meet Dr. Dolittle? How did the monkeys pursued the Push Me Pullyo to meet Dr. Dolittle? So the answer will be, the monkeys trapped the Push Me Pullyo in the grass and did not allow him to escape for 3 days. Finally, at the end of the third day, he said he would go with them. Okay. Now the next question, question number 4. In question number 4, there is a question, what did Chi-Chi suggested to Dr. Dolittle? What did Chi-Chi suggested to Dr. Dolittle? So the answer will be, Chi-Chi suggested that he should take Push Me Pullyo with him and people will pay money to see him. Answer of question number 4 is, Chi-Chi suggested that he should take Push Me Pullyo with him and people will pay money to see him. Now the next question number 5 is, what did the Push Me Pullyo decide in the end? What did he ask Dr. Dolittle to promise him? What did the Push Me Pullyo decide in the end? What did he ask Dr. Dolittle to promise him? So the answer will be, Push Me Pullyo decided to go to the land of man. He asked Dr. Dolittle to promise him that if he do not like the land of man, he should be sent back to the forest. Answer of question number 5 is, Push Me Pullyo decided to go To the land of man, he asked Dr. Dolittle to promise him that if he do not like the land of man, he should be sent back to the forest. Okay, student. Now the next exercise is exercise C. In exercise C, there is a think and answer. So you must be think and give the answer of given question. Okay. So the question is, do you find this story funny? Find two examples of humor in the extract and discuss in class. So the answer will be yes, I found this story funny when I read that the duck was packing the trunk and telling the doctor to be sensible. So dear student, you must be revise exercise A and B, and after that also revise what meaning of this chapter. Now moving to the next, that is exercises. Next exercises. So dear student, I will explain the next exercises in my next video. You must be prepared this word meaning exercise A and B. Okay, you have to learn it. Firstly, you have to learn the word meaning. That is there is a 4 word meaning. That is the first is rarest, menagerie, keepers, beast, and pinch and scrape. And after that, there is a exercise E. Read the sentences and answer the question. So firstly, you must be read the given sentence, and after that you have to write the answer of according to the question. Okay. So there are total A, B, C 3 question in a first sentence. That is first question is who said this word and to whom. The sentence is no, you know how shy I am. I hate being stared at. So the first question is who said this word? Who said this word and to whom? Second question is what had the listener asked the speaker to do? Third is what did the speaker do after making this statement? So you must be done answer of this given question. Now the second sentence is oh do be sensible, cried Dab Dab. And again here is the 3 question. The question number A is who was Dab Dab and to whom was she speaking? Second is what did she want the listener to be sensible about? And the C is what effect did her words have on the listeners? After completing exercise A, you must be learn the exercise B, that is a question answer. Answer this question. So here is the total 5 question answers. So you must be learn this all question answer. The first question is what was a push me pull you? Describe in your own words. And after this, the second question is why were push me pull you never seen in zoo? The second question is why were push me pull you never seen in zoo? And the third is how did the monkeys pursue the push me pull you to meet Dr. Dolittle? Fourth is what did Chi Chi suggested to Dr. Dolittle? And fifth is what did the push me pull you decided in the end? What did he ask Dr. Dolittle to promise him? Okay students, so these are the question answer of chapter number 6. You must be learned and keep it in your mind. It is very important for your examination, so you must be prepare yourself for your examination. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could you prepare yourself. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Keep watching my video. Thank you.